to you. If you're here, it's because you're ready. You're ready to do something powerful for yourself. I'm going to guide you step by step with my own words, with my experience, and everything I've learned over more than 20 years. As you know, since the age of 50, I've done a 6 to 7 day fast every year. First of all, you really need to carefully decide on a precise start and a definitive end date. The end date is very, very important indeed. This particular aspect is truly fundamental. This limit is a bit like your commitment to yourself that you will have to keep. So I also advise you of another very valuable thing. If you can, in any case, if you are starting out and have never done it before, I advise people to do it as a couple for a year or two, because fasting with someone else, a close one, a friend, a partner helps you stay motivated, support each other, and get through the tough moments together. Because I'll be honest with you, there will be difficult moments. It's not something everyone can do. And you're among those who have the willpower, because it really comes down to willpower. Next, you need to remember 3 things. There are 3 phases in this process. The first is preparation. 10 days before the first day of fasting, you'll need to prepare yourself both mentally and physically, which means, but will help you. The program is designed to help you. Mentally, in your mind, you want to do it. You're going to get ready, especially physically. Every day, you'll gradually reduce what you eat so that by the end of these 10 days, you're no longer having coffee, no more sugar, no more alcohol, and you've significantly cut down on what you eat almost nothing the day before. Maybe you have had just 1 meal the day before, and above all, to empty your fridge, to empty your trash, to have a clean trash can the day before the first day. That's very important. It may seem like a small thing, but you'll be so happy after 7 days to see that your trash can has stayed clean and especially that there are no dirty dishes. These are little details, but I really want to emphasize them. So after the 10 days of psychological preparation, there will be the fast itself, which will last 6 or 7 days depending on you. You will have to drink only water, nothing else, plain water, no syrup, no coffee with sugar, absolutely not. No tea with anything you want, just plain water, please. That's what I did. Now, I don't know, but it was beneficial for me, I'm telling you honestly. And the third phase is when you start eating again. Of course, you shouldn't just jump on meat or anything like an ogre. You have to start again gradually, you understand? You need to return to normal life, and that will take 4 or 5 days. So in this first video, what I really want you to understand is one important thing. It's your decision. The moment you choose your date, that's when you trigger the change that will happen within you. And believe me, after those 6 or 7 days, you're really going to like it. You'll be eager for the next year to come so you can do it again. So starting today, we're going to begin the preparation phase together. And I'm telling you honestly, sincerely,